What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Shout out to all the podcast listeners, Facebook listeners, Instagram listeners, everywhere. I put these videos everywhere I can for Financier Pro. So thank you guys for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. Today I want to talk about IGTV monetization. I know a lot of people don't know about this yet because they haven't implemented this to every user. This is for certain users right now, but it will be available for everyone who has the certain criteria that's met on here. We'll talk about that. So what is IGTV monetization? In short, IGTV monetization allows content creators to make money on Instagram with longer formatted videos. So regular Instagram videos are like maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute long. IGTV is a little bit longer. And you've probably already seen these ads run on some of these videos and not know what's going on. But if you put videos on there, you have 10,000 followers, such and such, you can start making money on there once it's rolled out to everyone. So nearly every platform has some type of monetization, whether it's super chat, donations, or ad revenue, etc. Facebook and YouTube already have some type of ad rollout. And on Facebook, you got to be very careful because a lot of these companies, YouTube, everywhere, they'll cut your water off fast. So please go about the guidelines as much as possible. Just stay on the guidelines. Read those guidelines every day if you can. When will it become available to all users? Instagram began testing these tools in the past couple months, which they started last year of 2020. Depending on how well it goes, it will roll out, and you have to have an Instagram business account. So switch from personal account to business account, guys. How can you become eligible? So on Facebook, there are a few pieces of criteria that must be met, which Facebook owns Instagram if you didn't know that. You need 10,000 followers, just like you need on Facebook business page. They need to make the videos more than 3 minutes long. And I believe Facebook just changed that on its platform to be under 3 minutes and still get ad revenue. Let's see, you need 30,000 1-minute views over the previous 2 months. They must meet Facebook's monetization eligibility standards. So you have to have certain standards on there. You can't just be putting anything up and think it's going to get monetized. Make sure you have 10,000 followers. Don't spam Instagram. Don't spam Facebook. According to a report from Bloomberg, video creators will receive 55% of ad revenue, which is great, on IGTV, which is the same rate as YouTube. YouTube is bringing in about 15 million in advertising revenue, while Instagram traditional feed ads generate about 20 billion revenue for the platform. And I believe YouTube makes way more money than that on ad revenue. That's just me. That 20 billion makes up 25% of parent company Facebook sales. Speaking of Facebook, they currently offer video creators 55% of ad revenue as well. But Facebook doesn't have the same tools as YouTube right now, and they will cut your water off super fast. Trust me. Any little thing that they are using more of this AI technology that's messing over people. They need to hire more humans, please, because AI technology is not perfect at all. Instagram is already incredibly popular social platform, which we know that they have lots of people on there, and they will copy platforms like Clubhouse and Snapchat, TikTok, all of that. They are not trying to lose people, which I understand. Instagram is a great place for businesses. It's a great place to make videos on Instagram. Like I have, most of my IGT videos are music because I'm doing a lot of lo-fi sounds now with my music channel. Check that out, guys, if you have a chance. Krios Music, Krios Music on YouTube. Deep house, dance. Most of my music is chill, laid back, whether it's synthwave, lofi, whatever it is. It's mostly chill music. You lay back or you want to drive to, read to, whatever, sleep. That's Krios Music, and I'm on Facebook as well, Facebook page. So you want to roll out IGTV video every day if you can, or once a week, just like you do on YouTube or Facebook, whatever platform. You want the algorithm to hit your video somehow, some way. So roll out a video every day or every week if you can. Let's see. The new monetization option will likely make you rethink your Instagram marketing strategy, of course, because now we're talking about the IGTV videos paying you. So you don't want to just put any crazy meme picture or crazy video up on Instagram if you want to get paid. That's all I'm saying. So this channel is about making money, side hustles, credit, all of that. You guys let me know what you think. Are you already implementing IGTV monetization? See you on next time on Financier Pro.